Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great start to your day today. We're just going to do a quick little video to go over our LEQ for reading. This week, we are starting a new standard. So the past few weeks, while you've been learning at home with me and with Señora Castaño, we've been focusing on the main idea and then key details that support that. So this week, it's going to be a little bit similar, and it's something we've already done before. So I think you're going to like it. Let's take a look at our LEQ. I'll read it first. It says, how can we retell stories, including key details? So let's look at some of our words in our pictures. So retell, remember that means you're going to have to tell me it again. So we're going to read the story and then you have to retell it and tell me what happened. So when we were practicing this before, we did it a lot with like Pete the Cat books and the Three Little Pigs, remember? And at the end of the week, you guys would get to act them out. So that's our retelling. And then the next word is stories. So I drew a picture of a book. And then down here it says key details. So when we're retelling our story, the key details are going to be the characters, who is in the story. So I drew Pete the Cat, but remember, it could be people too. Your setting. Where did your story happen? Is it at home? Is it at the park, outside, in the forest? And even when? Is it during the day, at night? Remember, we could even talk about the weather as part of the setting. Was it a rainy day, a sunny day? Okay, my friends? And then the other big part of key details when we retell a story is our roller coaster. Do you remember our big poster in our classroom with the roller coaster? And we talked about how you have to say what happened first in the story, what happened next in the story, and what happened last in the story. So we're going to focus on one book this week and really work on identifying our key details so that we can retell the story. I can't wait to see what you guys can do.